Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is currently minus 22 degrees outside here in Indiana, so I am staying inside today, trying to stay warm. I've got some footage I've already shot, so today I'm just going to be making a video kind of explaining to you guys what I've got going on right now with the Jeep. I want to start out today saying that I am so far very happy with my Holley Sniper EFI system. There's really not a whole lot I would change on it. It's been very user friendly. Holley's been great to work with. But yeah, the only problem I've been having is my fuel pump. So today I'm going to explain to you guys how it is now and what I'm doing to fix it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so this right here is how I previously had my Jeep set up. This right here is the fuel pump. The issue with having it right here is whenever I get off camber in any way, say whenever the front end raises like this, if I got a big boulder down here, the pump actually gets to where it is above the fuel tank. So whenever I'm going down the road, everything's perfectly fine. Going down the road like this, and the tank is still back here in mine. It just hangs down like this, goes up into here, kind of like that. But yeah, so whenever I articulate, you can see that the pump becomes above the actual fuel tank, so it has a hard time pulling anything. So whenever it gets like that, if I'm at an angle for any amount of time, it burns up that pump, and I've already went through 2 of them, and I'm tired of it. So now I'm going to show you what I'm doing to fix it. Okay, so now the new pump is going to actually be back here, and it will be mounted off the sending unit. So it's right here in the back of the tank, and there will be a pipe coming out the top of it that will come out of that sending unit and will hook into my new fuel line. And then I'll still have wire coming down here from my Sniper. I'll have to splice onto it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see whenever I articulate, now the tank is in the pump, so it doesn't matter. The amount of fuel will always be right there, probably, I mean, half an inch from the bottom of the pump. All right, I'll have that the video of me actually showing you what I'm going to do next to follow this. All right, guys, so this is what I've come up with so far. This is my factory sending unit. I drilled a hole down here. You can kind of see it. I had to bend these factory return and outlet a little bit to get this to work, but you can see if I pull this apart, there's a little bit of a gap down in there, so it's really not putting much pressure on that fitting at all. I'll have a link in the description to all the fittings I used. Pretty much everything came off of Amazon or Jegs. This is the Holley 340 liter per hour in-tank EFI pump. My float still works. I had to make this connection right here. So I'm trusting that Holley more than likely used wire that is okay to be submersible, since this pump is only submersible. But I had to use PTFE shrink wrap on these 2 wires that I passed through here. PTFE is the only shrink wrap that is able to be submerged in gasoline without dissolving. This is also submersible hose. It's either a 30R10 rating or a 10R30 rating. I can't remember. You have to have it. I'll have a link to that also. I'm going to go ahead and get it thrown back in the tank, and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, you can see I got the tank put back in the Jeep. I'm really happy with this pump. It sounds a lot more high quality than the previous one. I'm going to go ahead and turn the key on. That way you guys can hear it and see what it's supposed to look like. Really runs out of there pretty quick, almost like a garden hose. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going wheeling at the Badlands on January 1st, so hopefully I'll get some good footage, and you guys will get to see this thing in action. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. I just realized this is the perfect time for a cold start video, so I'm going to go ahead and give the people what they want.